Evening, folks. DC Works at you again. Tonight I thought we'd talk about Torx screwdrivers. I have a set of the hard-handled screwdrivers, or hard-handled Torx screwdrivers. They are bolstered. T8 through T45. The bolstering on them, of course, would be quarter-inch on the small ones, three-eighths, excuse me, 5/16, and of course 7/16 on the bigger ones. These are the orange-handled, hard-handled screwdrivers. These are probably, I acquired these, probably 1996. Kind of a neat set. They have faded a little bit over the years. The orange is faded, but pretty decent set still. Along those same lines, I have a set of comfort grip, and not the instinct handles, the comfort grip snap-on Torx screwdrivers that were sold in the 2000s. These probably bought these in 2003, 4, something like that. I have the T8, and these are the mini handled ones, T to T20. Interestingly enough, I can't remember where I acquired these, but I have a T8 and a T20 in the mini Torx with pink hard handles. So, kind of neat. All of those are bolstered also. They're the quarter-inch wrench they take. So kind of a neat set. Just thought I'd share them with you. So if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.